Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the device and account so the reset is clean. Make sure the Nest Wi-Fi or router is powered and the LED is stable, because an interrupted reset can leave it unresponsive. Backup or write down your SSID and password and any port or DNS settings you customized. Open the Google Home app and sign into the same account that manages the router. This lets you monitor progress and reconfigure once the factory reset completes. Now perform the actual factory reset using hardware controls, which ensures all settings are wiped. Find the recessed reset button on the router, then press and hold with a paperclip for about 10 to 15 seconds. You'll see the LED change color or blink indicating the reset began. Once released, the router will reboot. Make sure you do not unplug or power cycle during this phase. The device will finish with a solid white or pulsing light, signaling it's ready for setup. After the router finishes rebooting, open Google Home and add a new device to create your network again. You'll assign the SSID and password and restore any preferences. Make sure firmware updates complete before reconnecting critical devices and reapply port forwards or reserved IPs you noted earlier. If setup fails, try one key troubleshooting tip. Power cycle the router and modem, verify Ethernet cables and ISP link, then repeat the reset. If problems persist, sign out and back into the Home app and retry the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.